Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, I found these wooden hearts. I'm sure I bought them probably at the Dollar Tree in some sort of a package. So I have 5 of them here. They look like this. So I'm going to use these 3 colors of apple barrel paint, Snow White, Lilac Mist, and Pink Polish, and I'm going to paint these hearts on both sides using this just makeup sponge. I'm going to let them dry, and then after they dry, I have some dictionary page right here that I'm going to do a little collaging on. I also have my archival ink, waterproof jet black ink, and then I have some stamps right here that I'm going to do a little bit of stamping on. I have my texture paste and this stencil that I'm going to do a little bit of texture. I'm following a tutorial by Kazarian. I'm hoping that everything works out well, and these are going to be some fun Valentine embellishments.
These embellishments hearts are being created for an open collab hosted by our friends Patti and Kathy, Life with Patti and Kathy's Favorite Things. And every month they give us a prompt and we create anything we want. It's so open. You can literally just, share whatever you want. And January's prompt is hearts in preparation for Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what everyone has created. And so I love hearts, and I was so happy to create these embellishments today. So after the paint dried, and actually guys, I left them in the sun in my office so that they could dry quickly. And then I went back to them, and I thought I was going to use one of the dictionary pages, and that's just a dictionary that I got at the Dollar Tree. But when I opened the cover, I found this really cool, it was like a paper bag, I think, that somebody had sent me, probably some Happy Mail in, and I had tucked it in there thinking that I would use it in the future for collaging. And so here I am using it. And so it's just a really pretty black and white paper, and it was kind of thick. So I just started tearing it up a little bit, and I'm not so great at collaging, and the hearts are kind of a small space, and so I just cut little pieces and just placed them here and there. I will include the link to Kazarian's tutorial that I used. It's a couple of years old, but oldies but goodies, and so it's still a wonderful tutorial, and I will include that in the description box below. So I grabbed my gesso and my paintbrush and began adding the gesso onto the paper. Everything's dried and now it's ready for me to start stamping. And so I have these stamps, these woodblock stamps I've had in my stash for a while. They were given to me by a friend, and so I really like them, and I don't use them as often as I need to. And in our effort to use what's in our stash, I thought, oh, these are great. So I use the stamp that is the definition of friend, written out kind of like in narrative form, and I just stamp that same stamp on all 5 of the hearts. Then I grabbed the hearts and I went back into my craft room where all the crafty supplies are, right? Because now I am going to add some ribbon and a little bit of ephemera onto each of the hearts. And after I did that, I went ahead and grabbed my emery board just to kind of take off some of the rough edges or maybe some of the paste that was still kind of hanging out. The ribbon, frayed a little bit on the edges on a couple of the hearts, and I thought, oh, that's okay. That gives it just a little bit of extra fun going on there. And the ribbon was just scraps that I had just found in a bag in my ribbon box. And then I just inked around the edges of those little pieces of ephemera that I just also found in my stash, put on a few little jemmies on there, and that's it. So I think I'm happy with all of them. I like that I did both purple and pink, and I'm just going to use these either as embellishments on, I don't know, bag toppers or something else fun for Valentine's. So thank you, Patti. Thank you, Kathy. This was a great open collab. Happy Hearts Day to everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.